watching today's video. So this is an unboxing again, of course, and it is the Beautyfix unboxing for October. I just received this today. This is always the first box to show up at my house every month, and I love this subscription. It is more on the pricey side. It's $24.95 a month. The products that you get are really, really good. You get a good amount, and you do get a mix of either sample sizes, but you do get a lot of full-size products as well. Now, this is mainly a skincare box, I would say. Now, I like getting skincare because I get a lot of makeup subscriptions and I have so much I'm trying to work through, so I don't mind the skincare, but you do get some hair care and you get good sizes, so the value is always there. I haven't even opened this up. I don't know what's in this box, and I said, let me make a video so that we can unbox it together. So what I like about this box is that you can also purchase a one-time box if you want for $10 more. So if you don't want to go into a subscription and you just want to buy that month's box, because if you saw spoilers and you really like it and it's not sold out yet, then you could actually purchase this for $34.95, and even with the $10 more, it's still worth it to me. So I'll have a link down below in the description box so that you can check out the website if you'd like. So I haven't even opened it up. It's usually packed pretty well. It'll have the pamphlet on the top, and it'll tell you the month's theme. And of course, this is for fall, and it says, fall in love with seasonal favorites. It's official, summer is over. We're swapping our beach bags for backpacks and our bikinis for chunky sweaters. Most of all, we're amping up our beauty routine with new fall favorites. From bold scents to invigorating scrubs, we're embracing the new season with open arms. So I really like the themes with Beautyfix. They always definitely fit with the month. And then on the other side, you'll get like a coupon code that if you like what's in this box, you can get the full-size items for up to 20% off. And the code for that for this month is Fall Faves. So I like that they do that too, because if you like one of the products, then you could always purchase it on the website for a discounted price. Then on the inside, I won't get too into it, but it does give you the products, and you usually will get around 8 products. They don't give you the prices, but I can tell you that it's usually a really good overall value. So let's just get right into it, and I will pick up the first thing here. It's Tula Skincare. It's the dual phase skin reviving treatment pads. It says incorporate these dual-sided pads into your weekly routine to even tone and brighten your complexion. It's basically like an exfoliating pad. It polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter skin. That's the front of the package. And I guess that this is a one-time use, I would guess, because it's in an individual package. So I guess maybe the full size comes in a box of more than one. I'm not sensitive to exfoliants. I'm not sure if you have sensitive skin how this would work for you, but I would do some research on it. But what's good is that the Dermstore site usually will have a lot of information. If you search this product, you could actually go to the search bar, type in the name of the product, and then it will pop up. So the next thing here is definitely a brand that I've seen in this box a bunch of times, and it is the smallest item in here. So I'm counting this as an extra, not even as a product. It's from Tocca Beauty, and it is the Cleopatra perfume. It says swap the light and flowery summer scents for this bold and exotic jasmine infused perfume that will warm the cool fall air. So it is just a really small basic perfume sample. That's the full-size bottle. I've always liked the Tocca scents, so let's give this a little spritz and see if it's another like for me. So I'm kind of on the fence with this. I mean, maybe I need to give it some time to settle, but it definitely has like muskiness to it, but it just smells a tad bit powdery. So I'm not sure if it's just Not sure if it's just because it's on my skin, because everybody reacts to scents differently on their skin, but I'm still a little bit on the fence with this. Not really sure. Next product here I've actually never heard of. I always like getting things that I've never tried before and brands that I've never heard of. So this is from Sanitas Skincare, a lemon cream scrub. It says reveal brighter, softer, and more radiant skin with help from invigorating lemon-rich vitamin E and gentle silica crystals. It says apply a small amount to fingertips and use in a circular motion, gently massage onto dampened skin. Rinse well, may be used up to 3 times per week or as needed. Size here, it's 1 fluid ounce, so it's not too bad because I know with these kind of exfoliators, you don't really need a lot. It does have a seal, so I'm not gonna open it quite yet because I have so many exfoliators. The next thing is also a repeat brand that comes in this box a lot. It is the Alterna brand, the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist. Say goodbye to an untamed mane this fall. This mist will keep your locks silky smooth and frizz free. I've never tried like a dry oil mist on my hair. I've used oils like on the ends of my hair, and that seems to work pretty good for me to tame any kind of frizz or dryness on my ends. But this says you can spray throughout damp or dry hair to eliminate frizz and boost shine. So this is interesting here. I've never heard of this. It actually says it's a Beautyfix exclusive, and I think that this is a higher value. This is one of the higher value items in this box. It's the Miss D Gaspe Hydrating Illuminating Dry Mask. Interesting. It says a dry mask. This Beautyfix exclusive is changing everything. Loop over your ears and gently rub the mask into your face to activate. Okay, so let's see what exactly this says. It says hydrate and glow. It's a hydrating and illuminating dry mask. It says that it's reusable, so you can use it, it says up to 2 times. So it does have like a seal that you can reseal it. Paraben-free, 97% natural, and it's dermatologically tested. Unfold the mask and place the printed side on your face. Place the slits over your ears and adjust for a perfect fit. It says gently massage the mask to activate the formula. It says wear for 15 minutes, remove the mask, and there's no need to rinse. So that sounds pretty cool. I have no idea what to expect from this. If you do get this box, let me know if you've tried this before or if you're interested in trying this, because I am gonna try this pretty soon because I'm really intrigued. In the description box, I'll actually put the prices for each product. Now, this next one, I know that this one is very expensive, and I'm not really super excited about it because to me, it's kind of boring. It's from Glytone. It's an ultra softening heel and elbow cream. It says keep rough areas hydrated in the crisp fall weather with this luscious glycerin-based cream. You can use it for calloused heels and elbows. Helps retexturize and smooth dry and rough areas. And because it has glycolic acid in it, and that is like a retexturizer, because I actually really like glycolic acid. I use that in a lot of my facial skincare. I am pretty sure that this is gonna be extremely thick. This is what the packaging looks like. It is a typical tub that these creams would come in. It has like that little seal on the top where I'm pretty sure I can take it off just to... Okay, so yeah, it's definitely a really thick cream. I mean, as I pulled this off, it was like glue almost. You can really see that it is an extremely thick cream. So let me just take like a little bit off of the top and see how this would work. It's really thick. I mean, it would really work good for dry heels. I can definitely see that working, I guess, like, especially for your elbows. It doesn't have much scent to it. I'm still smelling the Tocca perfume, which, by the way, kind of dulled down a little bit, but it's still kind of powdery. It reminds me of a scent my mom would use, so I'm probably gonna give that to her. But yeah, this is really thick, so it feels really oily to me. It's not one of those quick absorbing creams. I might actually give this to my mom as well because she gets severely dry legs and stuff. My mom is an amputee, so she actually has one foot. Oh, I think that she would actually appreciate this more than me. So this next product I'm actually really excited about because I heard about this before and I heard really good things about it. And it's from Rituals. It's the Ritual of Dow Foaming Shower Gel. Transform your shower into a spa with this common white lotus and Yi Ren infused foaming gel. I guess you wouldn't use this on like a sponge or a loofah because I like to use a loofah and when I shower, so I'm not sure if you can do that, but I'll play around with it and see. Okay, so this I'm really excited about too because I like this brand. It's from Vichy. It's the Pura Thermal 3-in-1 step cleanser for sensitive skin. It says stay in bed a little bit longer thanks to this combo toner, cleanser, and makeup remover. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. Probably started off as like an eye makeup remover to see how it feels on my skin. So now we're down to the last item. It's the Rene Furterer Keratin Nutri Intense Nourishing Mask. It's for your hair. It says give your locks deep nourishment with shea butter and oil for healthy and bouncy hair. It leaves the hair deeply nourished and healthy, lasting restoration for infinitely soft, shiny, perfectly detangled hair. There's all the products in the October Beautyfix box, and again, not my favorite month with them. I usually really like everything, and this just didn't really appeal to me too much. I like getting a lot of skincare. I don't really like to get a lot of hair products or, I don't know, random little things that I feel like are just fillers. Real quick, I'll recap what we received. We got the hair mask, which seems like it's a full size, and I think that it is pretty pricey. We got this really expensive heel and elbow cream, which is, to me. Okay, so we got this exfoliator, which I'm pretty excited about. I always like getting exfoliators. We got this 3-in-1 cleanser, toner, makeup remover. This other hair product, that dry oil mist. So it's that Alterna brand, which I know is pricey. This is that foaming shower gel from Rituals. Tocca perfume, which I'm gonna say is just like a bonus. Not really my favorite. I'll give this to my mom along with that heel cream. Tula Skincare Treatment Pad, that illuminate and dry mask. So there are a couple things in here that I find really interesting, but overall, I mean, it's not my favorite. From a 1 to 10, I'll say that this is like a 6 or a 7. Keep a lookout for my next videos. I have some really exciting unboxings coming up, some new things that I haven't gotten before. So if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate the support when people subscribe. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you received the Beautyfix box. And let me know what you think about any of these products and if you've used any of these, because these products are all new to me. So if you have used any of these and if you think that I should give them a chance, then let me know down below. But until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.